Hi, how are
It
you?
worked.
Amazing.
Belated happy birthday, my love.
Thank you. Hi, Anita.
Okay.
Hello, good morning, ladies.
You can hear us? I can't
Hi,
believe you can hear us.
Hannah.
ये क्या प्याज वाला अंडा वो खा रही हो तुम टोस्ट?
Shami
I
ko
can't see
ba-
her.
You can't? Oh, why can't?
Okay, now I see you.
Hmm. वो ऊपर वाले windows में आते हैं. Oh,
Okay,
you
now
look
hang
so
on.
good.
I look like shit, but great. Like, thanks.
No, you look amazing.
I'll take it.
Yeah, take it.
Let me. रुको
आज
मैं
तुमने कौन
इसकी
सी
स्क्रीन
नजर
चेंज करना
उतारी
चाहती हूँ कि
अनु
तुम दोनों
अपनी?
में
आज मैं नहीं गई. कल गई. कल मैंने सब नजरें उतारी and then I had to wish as well.
Okay.
I
What
wished
is this
for
nazar behavior?
It's Japanese culture, भाई.
so there are many festivals over here, like thousands and thousands of festivals. So yesterday there was one at a some temple, I forget. Jason Amada. So over there, you go, you get these dolls called the Daruma dolls or Darumu dolls. So you take them, you walk towards the main temple area where the monks are sitting. You go to the
Oh,
but before the monks, before meeting the monks, you think of whatever you want, whatever your wish is, whatever your goal is. Eh? And then you go, and as you give to the monk, obviously उनको तो नहीं पता अंग्रेजी. You kind of recite the wish in your own mind. फिर आप
okay.
उनको देते हो, and then they fill out the left eye with some character, meaning कि बस अब शुरू हो चुका है. Now go. So then you come back, get it signed again, and then you have the option to either take it with you, keep it with you forever, or which is mostly what people do, you throw it in this, you throw or you keep it in this area where eventually they take all of the throne or left completed Darumos and they burn it. के बस हो गया. So इस तरह के
I know.
बहुत ज्यादा तो बड़ा मजा आता है. तो आप जब भी
Okay.
यहाँ बाहर जाते हो तो आपको बताया जाता है कि you have this to look out for or this to go explore, and every time without fail जब भी हम गए they're always like, go to the shrine, there's a shrine that's there here, there are like 3 shrines on this road, there are like 10 shrines on that road.
And then they have
And then
shrines for
like,
everything.
oh
Like एक बालों के लिए भी shrine है जहाँ लोग मन्नत मांगने जाते हैं if they want to grow their hair. So there's shrine for
वहाँ भी
Yes,
मुझे
I
जाना
want
है.
to go there. But you don't
don't
want
we
my
all? Don't we all?
मैं गंजी हो चुकी
Hmm.
हूँ. I have no hair left.
No,
I
I think I'm
said
winning this
literally.
race. I think I'm winning this race. मैं भी बेटी बन जाऊँ. तारा कहेगी it's because you
So
guys
that's
have manipulated your hair for so long कि बस अब बाल
नहीं तो फिर
हमारी
मैं
मर्जी
तो नहीं
तारा.
गंजी होनी चाहिए हूँ ना मैंने तो नहीं किया मैनिपुलेट
हाँ.
but I am also going bald so yeah doesn't matter.
Wig ले
ठीक है.
लेंगे.
I remember
I'm
to.
actually thinking about buying a wig
Same
I
long hair.
swear,
and I
just
just
like
wear that. Yes. Well, whatever. Yeah, different types. The Lillian, whenever you want to feel like, oh, I have luscious hair, you just wear that. And whenever you
I
want to
think
feel
you
like
should.
shit, you go with your own bald head out.
You should have a wig wall like Moira. Have
Oh
you
my
seen
god,
Moira
yes.
Rose?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I used to love her
I
wigs. Have
haven't
you
seen
seen
that.
Schitt's Creek? Oh
Oh,
my
yes, I
god.
have. I have, like,
Yes.
briefly. Actually, there's a Moira in that. Okay.
Yes.
But Sam was
Yes. She
rewatching it.
died.
Oh, that
Oh, it was
lady. Okay. I get
yeah,
it.
the Home Alone lady.
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
तो मर भी
yeah.
गई
Yeah. So
बेचारी.
she used to. I know. I was so sad because, dude, Moira is such an iconic character. Like, her outfits and the way she is, like, so, like, detached from her children.
Bebes.
The world, the bebe, and the
Yeah,
crows.
bebe.
Okay, so we finally made it to the podcast. I'm very happy after technical glitches and Ramadan. As you know, I'm so Muslim.
Welcome
मैं तो
to
खा रही
Call
हूँ.
Me When You Land, Maha. This is our land.
This is a
Uh,
safe space.
this is the safe space.
I'm not fasting.
As if we are. Um, Mahu,
लेकिन
you
नहीं,
tell
मैंने
us
पहले
now
2 रोजे रखे थे.
what is happening
हाँ.
in your life. Give us a brief life in Islamabad.
Oh my God. Okay. I mean, I'm probably the worst person to be like, giving you that lowdown because I am the most antisocial person these days. But okay, if I,
I was like, Acha
yeah,
Maham, and I'm glad you
Lies,
said these days.
lies, Mahu,
झूठ बोल
lies.
रही है माँ. But maybe she's not feeling it these days. जल्दी
yeah,
कर. कभी
more
कभी होता
like
है.
it's also, first of all, because of the overall Ramzan vibe and everything, nobody really is getting out. So usually the only activity that's happening for me is essentially baddie. So around 9:30, we go and play badminton and at a friend's place. So there's like a bunch of people over there, like who come, and then we have different games. Although there's only one court, so we have to do rotations. So generally, it's a low vibe. I think after 15th Ramadan, it's going to start picking up and things like that. Not due to you guys were here, there were a lot of series and aftaris which would happen like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
लाहौर में तो अभी भी होते हैं.
Huh.
Huh. It's just that we're old. So
Oh, so no one
basically,
invites
yeah.
you, huh?
So no one is inviting me. And also when they do, I don't go. I've just become that person. I know that like we always thought, oh my God, वो तो बंदी घर से निकलती ही नहीं है. And like,
Yeah.
no, but other than that, that's it. Islamabad's pretty much the same, not the same actually. Changed a lot in terms of its infrastructure, roads, ये वो. The traffic is insane. You would not want to live here now. I know when I
So what's
experienced that like last time
what's the biggest difference that you notice in Islamabad from when did you move recently?
2 years
Go
ago,
back. So and then you were out of Pakistan for how long? कितना था? 4
10
साल?
years. Yeah,
Mm.
I left in 2014 and then I came back Beach Me for 2 years and then I left again in 2019. And then I came back in 2023 again. Like, so most of my COVID was not here, right? Remember?
Yeah.
So COVID was spent in Singapore.
Yeah.
Um,
You and Sadaf were
How
so
both
was
in
yeah.
Singapore during COVID.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, we were. We were. It was pretty bad. I mean, it was bad in the sense that the lockdown restrictions and everything were really, really harsh. But
But
I'm,
remember,
I'm
you
sure it
told
wasn't
me,
worse in
but the
China.
worst thing was in Singapore was like everybody was becoming a vigilant and they were reporting everyone to the government like trash bhi agar aap leke ja rahe hain bahar and if you stand and talk to someone, someone will take picture and which was scary also. Okay, now you are being watched by someone at all times. Anyway, wahan pe it's a very
So
surveillance state.
yeah, and that wasn't specific to COVID. That's just part of their culture or just part of their rule abiding thing that they if anyone is like, crossing the street when they're not supposed to or something which is like, making the rules, they will take a picture and they have these social media channels like Facebook page and stuff and they'll post it over there. So I don't know where exactly that sort of behavior comes from, but yeah, it was definitely more pronounced in COVID.
probably from the fact that they feel better than other people and
But I know China is like
from a
that.
different.
Most of
I
the
mean, listen,
China is also a
Yeah.
hugely surveilled state. That
surveil तो है पर लोग तो कोई surveillance नहीं कर रहा होता है
बहुत
ऐसे
करते हैं
netism they're not
यार.
like taking
बहुत
pictures.
vigilant है चाइना में. Not Shanghai, but rest of it is very vigilant.
Like in what sense? Like अगर मैं jaywalk कर रही हूँ, they're going to take my picture and post it. I'm talking
Uh,
about these little instances. I don't think so. I never had that. But yes, there are, by the way, in China, they have publications do have a lot of focus on lawais doing wrong things because you want the outsider to remain an outsider and
yes.
अगर कोई like अगर मैं jaywalk करूं और अगर कोई लोकल jaywalk करे तो लोकल वाले को probably will get like चलो इसको जाने दो but if a foreigner does it they're like oh my god look what this foreigner did मतलब अगर गलती से भी करे तो I
Oh,
feel like you
so
I'm sure we're the same with foreigners in Pakistan too.
No, no,
Anyone
we
who's an
are, even
outsider.
though we are no democracy, but China, Singapore
Uh-huh.
are authoritarian states where even kids are spying on their parents. Like if their parents say something which is against the, ruling party, then they
The
can also
regime.
report, yeah, the report that, oh, listen, they are saying some really bad shit about you. So I think that they have taken it to, we are getting there slowly. I mean, I'm not saying that we proud Pakistanis will not become exactly that stupid nation eventually. Magar abhi
Mm-hmm.
we are getting there. But China and Singapore famously are that.
so the official term for this is doxing.
Okay.
Like that's yeah, doxing is what they do, and basically in that, like they would like take pictures or anything, and they even do it with their own citizens. Like I don't know why this calling, but you're right. It's Indian. Like would they think we're Indian because Pakistanis and like
Yeah, so
remember.
I
Yeah,
think the law, like you should follow the laws. I get that, but I think a
yeah,
lot of it is also racism.
yes.
100%.
Extremely,
Yeah.
extremely racist. Like it's just I don't know where that comes from. I guess I mean primarily because it's 70% Chinese, and then like the rest of it is like Malay,
Malay
Indian, or
Chinese.
Indian, or
Yeah.
Malay Chinese. But it can. So you kind of feel. So see, the funny thing is, Singapore probably has a population of what 6 million overall, and they have like double the amount of cameras. So you're constantly being watched. You don't
Exactly.
actually see
Hmm.
police or like law
No.
enforcement people around, but they have cameras here, so you're being watched.
Yeah. Dubai is also the same. You're just being
Is
watched
it?
every, yeah, there's no police. You never see any police or traffic sergeant ever, because there's a camera
Oh,
everywhere, literally. Like you can't hide from the cameras.
So
Um,
China may be like it's a very surveilled society, but
state, yeah.
police भी होती है दोनों because people want jobs as well, you know. We can't just like
हाँ,
give everything to AI
everything.
in
तो
China, I guess.
दुबई में भी है पुलिस वाले, लाइक जब कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है तो देन यू सी, लाइक पुलिस कार रीचेस देयर ऐसे, बट उनको पहले ही नजर आ जाता है, लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक समवन इज कॉलिंग देम कि देयर इज एन एक्सीडेंट या कुछ हुआ है, वो बस पहुंच जाते हैं मैजिकली, दे
yeah.
जस्ट अपीयर फ्रॉम समवेयर.
Appear.
हम्म.
China के बारे में ये कहूंगी that they're not particularly racist or not racist, biased against any one particular, listen, biased against any one kind of Gora,
Expat. Or
expat.
okay.
Yeah.
They love
Every
white
Oh,
color. They love goras. What are you
listen,
saying?
listen.
In China,
No,
there's
they
a
don't.
job for
आगे
people.
तो बोलने
They
तो देना.
invite people to sit in conference rooms because it will look
Listen
nice.
to me. No, nobody does that. ये गलत आपकी information. This is a myth. Okay,
We
moving on.
will give more money to white people and not brown people.
कहता
but
नहीं.
T, but I know we also do that in Pakistan. I mean, we do still have like the Gora complex and like the white person and the all of that stuff. If we have somebody white in the workplace or even socially, I mean, you and Tyra have both spent time, and specifically talking about Islamabad when there were a lot of, I'm talking to 2012 and
Yeah.
2009 and all of that time when we were interacting a lot with the Goras at that time, in social spaces and everywhere. So the Gora was like, so kafi, sar pe chadhaya hua tha.
Yeah,
No,
And
agree.
actually, that's
Anita
still
has
I had a
very
big complex.
clear bias towards white people, by
I
the way.
used
Used
to,
to, not when we were
and then I
young
learned.
and when we
Yes.
were in Islamabad.
Yes.
And if you tell Anita, why don't you eat this plate of shit? And she'll be like, are you crazy? And then enter a white person. And if he or she will say, Anita, this is a special dish, why are you not eating it? She'll be like, sure. Oh,
That's
yummy.
true. I did have Gora
okay.
complex. I confess.
did not know
Not
that.
anymore.
Okay. So
Yeah, we used to make fun of her. Okay, oh, let me find a Gora person to say this to you, and she's like, "Of course, I'll do it."
Not anymore. I learned my
okay, but
lesson.
on that note, do you feel that racism is also prevalent in Japan?
I think so. I haven't experienced it myself yet, but I'm sure there is.
Mahu, you have worked in
I will.
Thailand, in Singapore, and you were in Myanmar also. Where do you think, like, how was this experience as a brown person and as a brown woman was for you different? Where did you face more racism outrightly, and where you thought that they were okay with you being a brown woman?
Okay, so like to rate it, I mean, for me personally, the best experience was Myanmar because the country had kind of opened up after 60 years, and like at that time they were very sort of welcoming, and commercialization happened, and I went there in 2014, which is before the current regime then took over again. So that's when Aung San Suu Kyi was sort of in power and all that. um that was my best experience. I did not face any racism over there, and there was like this general aura of like we're well, like there's going to be a change, and there was hope. So even the locals were like very good, very nice, like that, or at least that's what I felt. Again, that was my, so maybe I was naive. I didn't really sort of pick up on any racism at that time. And then there is racism which is embedded in cultures which maybe even they don't really understand that they're doing. For instance, in Thailand, so they will never say anything bad to you on the face. But even if they disagree with you, right? Like they'll be like, oh, yeah, 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 everything. So that's their cultural thing. And but living in Thailand, I did not feel like, that there was like outright racism towards me as a brown woman in the workplace or anything. Also, Thailand's been used to a lot of expats the longest time, right? I think since the when the Vietnam War was happening, and at that time there were all these Goras who were there, and like so they're kind of like embedded like that. The most racism that I felt was, and I'll give you an example. So when in Singapore you go and like try to get an apartment, right? Like they have this like form, or like on WhatsApp, they'll send a bunch of fields basically which says name. The second thing says occupation, third thing says nationality/race. And
Oh,
based on that,
they will assign the
yeah.
area
So if you
also in Singapore based on your race.
so
Oh.
they don't assign commercial apartments or condos, they don't assign areas, but the HDBs or HDBs, which they have a quota, 50% of that is going to go to Chinese, 20% is going to go to like Malay Indians, and then like 10% Indians. And that is done by the government because they don't want a concentration, one type of race in one place in the living quarters. It was so weird trying to do apartment hunting over there. That's so, because sometimes they just reject you if you said you were Pakistani or Indian, even if your workplace. Because and the reason was, if you ask the agents and all what the issue, they're like, oh, it's because of the smell of the food that you guys cook. It's like, what? But you guys also cook, like, and
Yeah,
that's
they
also
Yeah,
also
pretty
fish
have
sauce
a
smelly.
and
very
whatnot.
Like,
Yeah. Wow. So
fish sauce
I
smells
have,
so bad.
oh,
Yeah, go
I
on.
know. For us, but my friend, she is British Chinese. I met, who has lived in Pakistan also. She is currently working in Thailand. She got married to a Nigerian guy, and he moved in with her in Bangkok, and she works for United Nations, by the way, no less. Like, it's not that she's working for them. That guy had to leave country within 2 months. She's like, because the racism, like people on the street, in restaurants, on cafes. She's like, she's like, I used to cry when I saw that kind of behavior, like how people were behaving to. And then I understood why I don't see a lot of black people in Thailand, because clearly Thai people have something against them so much So imagine she's living in Bangkok. He has moved to Australia and he's working there. And she goes and visits him. But she's like, for him, living in Bangkok was so bad that we just couldn't do it anymore. So I have to be here for my job. But he couldn't live here because people were just very openly racist towards him and mean to him, like super mean to him. Imagine. So अथाई लोग हो सकते हैं, गोरों के साथ ब्राउन के साथ हमें बर्दाश्त करते हैं, ब्राउन्स को तो वो, but I think towards black you don't, that's why you don't see a lot of black people walking around in Asia generally, but Bangkok, because everyone goes to Bangkok for sure.
Yeah, now that you say it, I didn't actually see a lot of like black people over there. I think the Goras are accepted because Goras also are integrated more into their society because a lot of Thai women tend to marry Goras, right? Like, and they call them Farang. So, married to Farang. So, like, yeah, so that's okay because in Thailand, you can also not, I don't know now the rules have changed or not. So, you can't actually own property or assets if you're there and in order to really integrate and if you have a partner, it's much easier. But again, they're Farangs, not black people.
Not brown people, yeah. Now they have apparently the entire tourism industry is going down in Thailand, big time. So now they're introducing new things there. For example, they want you to come and retire there. You know, the same visas and nationalities that Turkey is and Portugal is giving. Like if you're a content creator and if you make certain amount of money that's coming in into your bank account, you can come and live in Thailand. So that money comes to Thai banks. Or if you want to retire, you can pay, have like certain amount in Thai bank, and then you can go and live there. They will give you the passport. So they're doing other things.
But हमारे लिए तो
Um,
फिर भी problems but for
hmm.
brown people, they will still have like lots of restrictions. Instead of 2 pages, there'll be like 50 pages. So, Mahu, we will retire in our own country up north.
In Hunza, yes.
Look, I have already started that project.
Yes.
And so hopefully, like over time, we will keep building on. Remember when we had the dream of the commune? The commune we were going to
Yes,
have of all of
yes,
us
yes.
together. Oh
Yeah.
my God. I think so that the construction has started. We just need to expand and design it
हाँ,
further.
ठीक है.
So,
So how much
so now
construction
we
is
should.
done? Can we go live there this year or no?
So this year we are going to, because we started constructing on a small area, right? We have 2 rooms,
Mm.
and basically we have one big room, a living room, and the bathroom's kitchen right now, which is just on the other side of the plot. But
Mm.
on my side, I haven't started constructing as yet. But I think that is something I want to keep as a more open space concept with like rooms and like, one of the things that we really lost to you over time, and I was reading about this, is the concept of verandas.
Yes.
So back in the day, if you see that, like, most of our houses, and even
Had
like our,
verandas.
grandparents' houses and all would have verandas. And the
Yeah.
reason that people would have verandas was because it was a social
Communal
space.
space. You
People
come
would
out of your
come.
room and you hang
Yes.
out in verandas. Yes.
Yeah. So, and I want to bring that back in some way or form, basically, because, and also not just for the house people, it was also for people who were coming from outside. I remember my dada's house used to have a veranda. He would sit there with his newspaper and his tea, listen to his radio, and like people who were going in the street would like come and say hello and this and that. So, we should really think of bringing that back. When I start
Even,
constructing, I think I want
even
that.
in old mountain houses, all the old houses had verandas all around it, four sides, because it brings in a lot of ventilation, light, sun. I don't know why everyone. I think the television did this to us when everybody started having social encounters indoors और टीवी को देखते हुए होते थे. But now that we are done with television, I think it's about time we go out and sit in verandas and courtyards. तो माहू, are you working, not working, looking for work, want to work? जिंदगी में पर्पस क्या चल रहा है इस वक्त?
Gee, I'm just chilling right now.
Okay, that's amazing.
I'm
Uh,
just
it
chilling.
makes three of us chilling right now. Of chilled life बहुत अच्छी
Please.
है.
हमने बहुत
अच्छी है.
मेहनत कर लिया है जिंदगी में.
यार
अब हम जो है चिल
please, we did
करेंगे.
not
Uh,
sign up for this. कि अब काम ही करते
Yeah,
रहेंगे.
काम ही करते रहे. I'm just chilling. I am
Hmm.
happy chilling.
Yeah. So what's your routine like nowadays?
Dude, I have, well, Ramzan is like, how it is. Like, I mean, not
Mhm.
that I'm fasting, but generally just the eating schedule, overeating, sleeping, waking up, binge watching, playing some activity, like some sports activity. That's it, pretty much. I
Hmm.
have to start working out. That's one thing I'm really missing out on because I haven't really gone back to working out in a year.
All three of us need to do that. Start doing
No,
it.
but see,
Yeah.
you do that anyway. You still get some exercise, right? You walk your dogs or like you do something.
But no, muscle building, different
Muscle
thing.
building, yeah.
Strength training.
Yeah.
I haven't been inside a gym for the last 4 months, and it's making me sad. I can feel like my bones
Yeah.
going back to my
This is
RA
my
bones.
Insta
Show me.
feed, by the way. If I
Yeah.
open random.
Okay. Oh my God.
This is all
Mine
I
is
look at also, Mahu, what you were saying. Show me yours,
okay.
Anu.
I know because a lot of
Let me show you. Let me
Mine
show
is just
you.
full of dogs, dog reels.
every dog reel I see, T has already liked it.
Yeah,
Okay,
same Mahu. The one I haven't
Maha,
liked, you have already liked it. Show me, Anu.
Maham. Okay, is Maham showing hers or let
No, no,
me show
you
you?
show yours.
Okay, so because Formula One शुरू हो रहा है.
What is this, boys?
Oh,
Anu! इतने लड़के,
That's
cute
Max
लड़के.
Verstappen. No, that's Max Verstappen because Formula One शुरू हो रहा है. And because Formula One शुरू हो रहा है, so I'm kind of following some of the
Stop
things that they
defending
do.
it. You were just
I'm not.
obsessing
Look at
over
him.
that boy.
No, no, no. He's a kid. I mean, he's 26, also a kid. अभी हम क्या बात कर रहे थे?
हाँ
Like
वही.
20s वाले बच्चे ही होते. But he's cute. He used to be number one, but then last year he lost to Lando. I'm okay with Lando too. So वो शुरू हो रहा है. So my feed
Okay.
oh.
is Formula One now.
अच्छा.
So और क्या है? Okay, Mom, show us
Mahu,
yours.
show us your feed. Insta की.
Oh, hang on. It's mostly dogs mixed with random war updates now. But literally, it is just dogs. Can you see?
Aw,
It's so
that is
many
so cute.
So many
puppies.
boo-boos. By the way,
So many puppies.
oh my God, look at them. I can't. And you follow the AI dog also, na, who does the interview.
Oh
Like,
my God.
she's the
I love
cutest.
Coco.
Oh, Coco is the cutest. Coco, what did you do today? And then she's
I
like,
mean,
Mom said I will give
Okay.
you a treat.
yeah, cute. And the funny thing is, I have like a dog in the street now, T. Her name is
Hmm.
Coco. That's the
Yeah.
dog that I saved
Yeah, yeah, from being
Yeah.
killed by
from
Oh,
being
neighbors.
shot.
Uh,
Yes. Oh my God. We said Coco and it came up. Oh my God. She has the cutest outfits.
that's what I'm going to do when we get a dog. मैं तो dog like
uh,
Insta dog बना
influencer बनाने वाली हैं
जा
हम.
खुद तो नहीं बन रहे dog कुत्ते को बना.
So कल मैं एक
Dude,
पॉडकास्ट सुन
dog
रही थी.
influencers are.
So
Huh?
big. कि Dubai has every like कितने 10,000 influencers Dubai has collected from all over the world. They have
Yeah.
given them golden visas and they are helping giving them studio spaces,
Wait,
podcast
what do you mean dog
spaces. No,
influencers?
just
Just
general
अच्छा no.
influencers
I was like, wait
who
a second.
who
Dog
talk
influencers are getting
about
golden visa.
no, no, even dog
I mean,
influencers. They say anyone who has content, has substantial followers, we will give you visa. You come live in Dubai. Or unka, what do they have to do in return is show how amazing Dubai is. That's how
Dubai
Dubai is selling to the rest of the world. They have given golden visas to 10,000, but they prefer white
white obviously वो भी racist ही है.
influencers. Huh. जो अभी भाग रहे हैं, बॉम्ब गिरा है तो दुबई से भाग रहे हैं वो. But the other influencers who stayed, they are showing like, oh, everything is fine. Look, you can come here. Look, who said Burj Al
Yes.
Arab has been destroyed? Oh, it's still there. Oh, no. Like, this is the job that they have to do. Basically, they have to be mouthpieces for the state, saying it's the safest place on planet, and you come invest here, live here, वगैरह वगैरह. So I think
Interesting.
that's
भाग नहीं रहे वो लोग सारे के सारे. I would assume that they would just run away. और वो
हाँ.
जो टैक्स जो यूके से भाग के आए हैं कि we don't want to pay taxes.
Yeah,
I, what are you guys up to, eh?
yeah.
Are you guys on the charter and on your way back to your country?
Yeah, because they don't want
You
to
know,
pay
there's so many
taxes.
people
Mhm.
who I was reading yesterday because so normally I'm not on Twitter, right? But whenever
Mhm.
something like this happens, like you know, if there's a war or there's something else happens, Twitter is the first place where you get all the like latest updates and all. So there was this clip basically which said that the influencers in Dubai and the escorts, they don't know where to go. Because as in like who's gonna take them? Because see the escorts, because Dubai is a huge market for like escorts or
Yes.
women who work in that area. And they're like, okay, so potentially they could go to Vegas or they could go to where F1 is happening, which is in
Vegas.
yeah. And so they can go there, or like potentially they could also go to Florida, Mar-a-Lago,
Mhm.
and
Uh-huh.
like that. And so they can go. And so it's a big problem for them because a lot of them are Russian. And then it'll be hard
Mm.
for them to go back to
They
Russia
can't go
now
back,
because
yes.
Yeah.
They will be
they're
relocated
stuck.
by the government.
The government has to
Relocation होगी
relocate them.
उनकी. Unbelievable.
But
Hot.
Anu, this is the perfect time for you to get a dog. Like, I mean, they treat dogs so well in Japan, you know,
They
And
you
so he
should.
wanted
do.
a dog for the longest time. Why aren't you getting
We
her one? Go adopt
because
one.
I am delaying it as long as I can because I will have to take care of
That's
the
true.
dog
That's
myself.
true.
So I am preserving a little bit of energy. We're going this weekend to a few shelters.
Oh
So
my
we're
God.
going
What
to
sort of dog does she want?
we will see. I mean,
She wants any dog and all
she wants any
dogs.
dog.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
वो भी बस बिल्कुल like she just wants dogs and she wants like 5 dogs. I'm like नहीं बस एक
good.
कुत्ता अभी when you are older then please. And also since I'll be moving in with you guys will have dogs.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I don't want to add more to our work. She loves dogs.
I
She loves.
remember
Loves dogs.
when Anu, remember you came over and she was drawing on my iPad. She made dogs. There was a dog with a girl, a dog with this, a dog. I remember her art. I think I still have it saved. She was so good
No
at it.
way.
Yeah.
At
Get her
one
a
point
dog.
in
So
yeah.
here, मेरे पास आए Hunza and Cookie and Storm were with me. So they slept on Anita's bed. तो मैंने कुकी को कहा कि कुकी तुम मेरे पास आके सो जाओ. And it's like, you can't tell the dog to move. Literally इधर कुकी सो रही है ऐसे चौड़ी होके इतनी सी जगह में Zee और अनीता सो रहे हैं, but she did not let Cookie move. She's like, no, I can't tell the dog that she has to move. We
मैं
have to
इतनी
move.
में
हाँ,
मैं
इतनी सी
इतनी
जगह
जगह
में
पे
सो
थी
रही थी
जोई
इतने
और
बड़े
कुकी
बेड पे.
ठीक थे
Oh my
so that
God.
so I know what my life will become so I'm trying to delay it as long as I can.
You know what sort of dog you should get? And the very famous story from Japan is about that Shiba Inu one, which is
Yeah,
Yes. Have you seen the statue? His statue?
yes, I will take you there when you come.
oh
Yes,
I
I have.
have to go there.
It's just on the side there and it's like ये क्या है because it's a really crowded area. That's like one of the like Times Square type का
Yeah.
तो बहुत रश होती है वहाँ पे like it's like just complete it's like that street too if you guys have seen the Shibuya street they show that
Yeah, the crosswalks.
yeah so it's
Yeah.
that area is in the corner of that area so it's like always crowded and there's a line that is right next
oh
to it where people take they're waiting to take their pictures with the dog but if you go in the morning which I have there's no one there so you
सुबह
kind of
6
get
बजे जाएंगे
okay.
मैं उठ के.
good luck. Actually, if you say it's about a dog, she'll probably wake up too.
Hi, I'm back.
Hi. Listen, we
Hi.
can wrap this up in this call. So we will do Have you thought about the book and the movie and the person? Who is your person? अच्छा, the person I tell you what we do. अगर आपने हमारी podcast सुनी होती तो आपको पता होता.
अच्छा,
नो माँ, हमने
मैंने
नहीं
सुनी
सुनी,
थी,
बिकॉज
मैंने सुनी
दो
थी
घंटे
एक
की है हमारे.
एक
यू जस्ट रिवील्ड द फैक्ट दैट तुमने नहीं सुनी, बिकॉज आर सम ऑफ आवर पॉडकास्ट आर एन आवर एंड अ हाफ लॉन्ग. इट्स ओके, वी फॉरगिव यू.
थैंक यू.
अपनी सुन लेना.
अपने वाली
No,
सुन लेना.
I heard the one before last.
Okay. So
That
usme
one,
we
हाँ.
do the person of the week. So me and Anita also do it every week. We share someone's either on socials, on real life, whose work we like, things they're doing that inspire, or contents that we are obsessed with, or we think that we really enjoying. So that's the person of the week. So do you have someone on socials or in real life that either you look up to, or you that their work inspire you, or you enjoy their work? It can be an artist, musician, a leader, a poet, writer, anyone, or someone from your real life.
My feed is all like dog content these
Mm,
days. So like I
same.
have like great dog influencers that I love. And
Mm.
I think one of my favorite ones is like, have you follow that account called Levi the Rescue Husky?
No.
You have to, it's basically a husky that this woman rescued, and ironically the husky was in Iran, and someone had thrown the dog out of a first story window and had
Mm.
like, and she found out about it, and anyway the dog got rescued. So now this woman has twins of her own, and she has two dogs, and she has like really funny content. So, but that's just off the top of my head. I will think about the person. The book I'm reading is Arundhati Roy's Mother Mary
Mother
Company.
Mary. Oh, how is it?
Yeah. Oh my God. I am just savoring it. Like, I don't want to finish it too fast because I don't know when the next book is going to come out, but it's a really interesting take. I love her writing. I love, um, just the way that she, explains things, her worldview.
Yeah.
And I think it's important to sort of, it's a really good read. Have you read it?
I haven't. I have been meaning to read it
Um,
because अभी आई नहीं है यहाँ पे. I'm gonna
नहीं
look
आ
for
गई
it.
है. It's
आ गई है बुक स्टोर में.
Yeah, yeah, I've had it. Like it came out 2, 3 months ago.
अच्छा, मुझे यहाँ नहीं मिली. But I'm gonna
Okay.
look it up. I want to
Once I'm
read
done,
it
I can send it to you.
because of course it's Arundhati, and secondly I want to, because I think every Asian woman can relate to it. She talks about having this amazing mother who was also a toxic mother. She
Yes,
was an amazing
yes.
woman who
Mhm.
was opening schools and going to Supreme Court, fighting cases against like women's inheritance and sub kuch. But as a mother, how toxic she was. So I want to read that book, and I think it's a
It's
relatable thing for
amazing.
all of us.
Yes, yes. And then, so what about, okay, so that's my two. And then you talk about a movie. Actually, I haven't seen a movie in a long time, but guys, you really have to watch this show. It's a series called All Her Fault. Have you
I've
seen
Okay.
it?
seen
No.
it.
What? I
Isn't it
haven't. What is it
It's
about?
amazing?
amazing. All her
You
Acha.
fault.
have to watch
Oof, Anu,
it.
it's एक तो उसमें शिव है. I love Shiv from Succession. I don't know, Sarah Snook. Uh,
Yeah.
it is about, oh my God, it's a very feminist point of view of like child goes missing, but how everything eventually becomes her fault, and she's questioning her life choices repeatedly. Am I a good
Mhm.
mother? Did I do enough? तो इसके बाद, but it's a beautifully, like it's a short series, 6 episodes हैं इसके. Mahu, have you finished watching it?
Yeah, yeah. I finished it some time ago and it was so amazing. There's another one which is on similar lines. I forget the name. That's also about a mother who takes a child to ER, and like I'll send you that link as well. You should watch that series too. It's really good. It's about a mother questioning that if did she do something wrong because the child actually has like a fall, and like it's she's not aware of it, and how did that happen, and then one of her friends in the ER like ends up reporting her and things like that. So it was really cool. But anyway, that's my three. Now you guys go.
Acha, I have a person meaning to mention her. I'm looking at her name so I pronounce it correctly. Her name is Rashmeet Kaur, and she's an artist from India. She's a singer. And the best thing about Rashmi, please listen to her. You know what she's doing? She is singing folk Punjabi songs, Bulle Shah's poetry, but she's a jazz musician. And she has the most gorgeous voice. And she's also beautiful herself, by the way. Rashmeet Kaur is her name, and she's bringing the old Bulle Shah poetry back in vogue, in fashion, and kids are listening to him. And she has this series of live concerts, live performances, and that's her record. It's available on her socials as well and Spotify पे भी है मगर क्या आवाज़ है यार उस लड़की की और इतना खूबसूरत गाती है and jazz गा रही है. So I love that. Like she has just bass player and a drummer पीछे and a trumpet player और उसके साथ वो पंजाबी के folk गाने गा रही है. So that's my person of this week.
Chalo bhai, on that note, because I hear that she is done with her thing.
Our call is about to end. Thank you, ladies. I love you
Thank
very
you,
much.
ladies. Love you. Have a
Love
great rest of the day.
you.
And
Peace
I
and
shall...
love for everyone. No war, please.
No war.
Yes, no war, please. No
you.
more killing of the civilians. Bye bye. Love you.